School, 1124 kilohertz on your radio frequency, bringing you a 5-minute update of the latest and hottest events. Member CWSP, Campus Writers Society of the Philippines. We are your partners for the service. I am Iris K. Madrid.
And I am Renzo Galoy. This is ROAS Today. We deliver quality broadcasting for the people. ROAS Today. Philippine Standard Time. It is now 1 o'clock in the afternoon. This time check is brought to you by Clear. No tangent, just cool hair.
And now for today's top stories. For our local news, Isabela tops Gawad Saka Award.
For our national news, Supreme Court says no to Arroyo's PRO.
For our international news, Pinoy asks South Korean president for military help.
For our sports news, Philippines ranked 6th in SEA Games.
And there's more when ROAS Today returns.
Save Mother Earth now.
We have been consuming nature for generations, but it's not too late.
Save Mother Earth now.
RA 9003, or the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act, is here to remind us to reduce, reuse, and recycle. What happens tomorrow depends on what we do now. We love nature for our children's future.
Is in our hands. A friendly reminder from DNR and this station.
Philippine Standard Time. It is now 1 in the afternoon. This time check is brought to you by the best ever Sunsilk.
And now we're back for the details. Isabela tops Gawad Saka Awards. Our correspondent Charlene Lee reports.
Isabela bags and awards recently held Gawad Saka in the awarding rites held at Tuguegarao City. According to Isabela Governor Faustino D. III, the awards were given to recognize farmers who maintain the food sufficiency level of Isabela. Furthermore, Governor D. added that the perseverance of the farmers helped in ensuring the food security of the country despite the typhoons that hit late last year. This is Charlene Lee, your news, our business.
Supreme Court says no to Arroyo's PRO. Our correspondent Don Villanueva tells us more.
The Supreme Court refused to issue Pampanga Representative Dory Macapagal Arroyo a temporary restraining order yesterday. Supreme Court spokesperson Midas Marquez said that the Supreme Court wants to hear the arguments first before deciding on the PRO position. Marquez added that there was no restraining order nor status quo ante-order issued for the former president. Earlier, Congresswoman was given an arrest warrant by the Pasay City Regional Trial Court with a case of electoral sabotage. This is Don Villanueva, your news, our business. Pinoy asks South Korean president for military help. Our correspondent Isabela Gaspar reports. In consonance with the upgrading and modernization of the armed forces of the Philippines, President Benigno Aquino III asked South Korean President Lee Myung-bak for aircraft, boats, and other military-grade helicopters. President Aquino said that he and Lee discussed their respective regional security concerns, including the controversial Spratly Island. However, Lee did not give any response to Aquino's specific request, but is ready to cooperate to solve maritime problems. This is Isabela Gaspar, your news, our business.
Philippines ranked 6th in SEA Games. Our correspondent Bernadette Lee tells us more.
Philippines had a fair finish in the recently held 26 Southeast Asian Games with a medal haul of 36, 56, 7-7, making the country 6th on the list. Meanwhile, the host country, Indonesia, landed in an impressive overall victory with a medal haul of 182, 151, 142, followed by Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Singapore. Moreover, Chris Chu, whose team bagged gold medal in basketball, said that in the next SEA Games, Philippines could definitely do more. This is Bernadette Lee, your news, our business. We will be back after this short break. Do you want to develop communication?
The answer is digital literacy. Be modern.
Be digitally literate.
With digital literacy. Digital literacy, the bridge of nations for communication.
For our Christmas countdown, 30 days more to go before Christmas.